Hi guys. So we'll start with our first topic to create parent project structure for Maven based project. So we'll create a new project which is a Spring Initializer project, and we'll give name to it my Java block microservices. We'll give my Java blocks microservices for now. Then we'll give a package name as in dot my Java block. We'll use JDK19, but somehow we don't have JDK19 option over here, but we'll change it later in a POM file. Click on next. We'll take this Lombok dependency and we'll use Spring Boot 3.0.6 version, which is latest version as of now, and we'll create the project. So this will create a parent project for us, my Java blocks microservices. So it will have source, main, Java resources. Then it will have test packages inside it. We'll get parent pom created over here. So this is nothing but our parent project, and we'll have submodules inside it. So for now, we don't require this Spring Boot parent dependency for this project. We'll remove this, and we don't need this as well. We have defined this Lombok, and we have defined this test dependency. So we are using this dependency management. So all the dependencies which are defined inside this dependencies will be applicable to all the submodules, and we'll use dependency management as well. So the dependencies which are not mandatory to be defined by submodules will be defined inside this dependency management. So for now we'll have Spring Boot dependencies will define inside this dependency management, and they will come from org.springframework.boot, and will define the latest version of it, Spring version 3.0.6 for this moment. And we'll have this build plugin. We'll use this Spring Boot Maven plugin to build our project. So this is our parent project, and we need to change this Java version to 19, as we didn't have that option while we created this project. So this is our parent project, which is created for us now, and in subsequent videos we'll create the submodules which will be part of this parent module. So all the dependencies are defined, but if you see this Maven tab, you'll see the error over here. This is because we haven't defined the version for the Lombok and test dependency, which we have defined in dependencies tag. So we need to define the version. So for now we'll use latest version of Lombok, and for the test also we'll define the version, which will be 2.7.5. So once you define the version and refresh it, this error should go away. So we are with all this Maven settings for parent project. So basically, why we are using this dependency management and dependencies separately, because in dependencies, whatever dependencies you define, those will be uh, directly available for your submodules. You you uh, can't remove them, or it's mandatory to be used in your submodules basically. And the dependencies which are defined inside dependency management are not mandatory to be used in your submodules. Whatever dependencies you require out of this Spring Boot dependencies, only those dependencies your submodules can define and use them uh, uh, there. So this is the basic difference why we are using dependency management and dependencies in our parent project. And one more thing to be kept in mind is, as this is a parent project, and it is not a separate service in itself, so it doesn't require this source folder, so we can directly delete this folder for now. So that's it for now. See you in next lecture.